Hey guys, now we'll do the question number 21. The question says a hyperbola passes through the point P root 2 comma root 3 and has foci at plus minus 2 comma 0. Then the tangent to this hyperbola at point P also passes through the point. First, let's see what we are given with. So we are given with a point through which the hyperbola passes. That means this point should satisfy the equation of hyperbola because it lies on this. And we are also given the foci is plus minus 2 comma 0. So by judging these two parameters, we are going to write the equation that. So here we have the equation x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the standard equation of hyperbola. Now we will satisfy these points in this equation, and by doing so we are going to get the equation that is 2 upon a square minus 3 upon b square equal to 1. And also we are going to satisfy the equation by the condition of foci, that is a square plus b square equal to 4. Now here we'll solve it. It says 2b square minus 3a square equal to a square b square, and we are given with this. So what we can do is we can take out the value of a square from this equation and put it here. So here the a square is going to be 4 minus b square. I just put it here. The resulted equation would be 2b square minus 12 plus 3b square equal to 4 minus b square into b square. Now, after solving this equation, we are going to obtain the value of b square, that is coming out to be b square equal to 3. Now we have b square. We can simply put this value in this equation. So that implies a square plus 3 equal to 4. So simply the a square is coming out to be 1. Now we have a square b square. We can simply compute the value of hyperbola. Just give me a second, I'll clean all this. Because we got the values of a square b square, we are simply going to put it in x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to, oh sorry, just a second, it's not plus, it would be minus. The equation would be x square by a square minus y square by 3 equal to 1. Now we have to find the tangent at this point, and the equation of tangent would be simply root 2x minus y upon root 3 equal to 1. Now we'll check which of the points satisfy this equation. And we can clearly see that 2 root 2 comma 3 root 3 satisfies this particular equation. So option 1 is the correct one.